This is a red, gold, and champagne colored eyeshadow cut crease look. This is very easy to do, so let's begin. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette and using this color, Rose Tattoo. But if you don't have this certain one, you can use any other red. Basically just apply the red all over the crease and continue to blend it. You don't have to be too fast, make sure you take your time. Taking these two colors, Coral Pop and Pretty Peach, I'm going to apply it on the crease and do the same thing. Going in with the red color again, apply it on the crease and blend it out. The mixture of the three eyeshadows will look smoky. Apply an eyeshadow stick or a concealer. This is where you begin to cut the crease. You want to separate the crease from the lid. I went with the eyeshadow stick because it glides on very smooth and it does not leave any residue. Here's a close-up of how to do it. Don't forget to apply it on the inner corners as well. Now for the champagne color. You want to apply it on the inner corners and the lid, but only go halfway on the lid. Here's a close-up. Using a golden color, apply it on the rest of the lid. Line your eyes with liquid eyeliner. I'm using the Tarte liquid pen eyeliner. It's double-sided, so it has the dry version and the liquid version. Now line your waterline. Going back in with that red eyeshadow. Take a brush and smudge the waterline area. Apply lashes and mascara, and here are the final results. Thank you all for watching my video. If you ended up liking this video, please do give it a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I want to say thank you to all my subscribers and my new subscribers. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so by clicking the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications sent to your phone for whenever I post a new video. And until my next video, stay safe, take care, goodbye.